High in the Garhwal Himalayas lies a hidden trail that tests your will and reward you with untouched beauty. This is the Bali Pass Trek. But when is the best time to conquer this Himalayan challenge? Bali Pass Trek is one of the few high-altitude treks in India which takes you to an elevation of almost 5,000 meters above sea level. This trek is for adventure seeker and requires a good fitness level. The trek starts from Sangkri, which is the base for many popular treks like Harkidun, Bali Pass, Kedarkantha, Rupin Pass and Fulahar Ridge, connecting the ancient Harkidun Valley to the sacred Yamunotri. It's one of the most adventurous and raw trails in Uttarakhand. The high altitude of this trek makes it accessible for a very short duration of time, that is mid-May to mid-June, and the post-monsoon period, which is mid-September to mid-October. It's about 1 month in both the seasons respectively. But you get to witness ancient villages, meadows, lakes, and a high altitude pass. Mid-May to June. It's the first window to attempt Bali Pass. Snow starts to melt at the higher slopes of the Himalayas, making the higher altitude accessible, offering a true alpine adventure. In the initial batches, you may also find rhododendrons blooming along the trail. The river swells with snow melt and the track is a thrilling mix of white and green. It is one of the few treks in the country where you can find knee-deep snow even in the peak summer months. This period is considered safe and chances of making it to the summit is high, as the weather is clear and optimum snow conditions make it easier to summit. Day temperatures vary from 12 to 18 degrees and at night the temperatures are around 0. It is a very good time to plan this trek. As it is quite an offbeat trek, you will not find many people on the trail, as very few people go for this trek. If you love clean air and golden tones, head out between September and mid-October. This post-monsoon window brings crystal clear skies, dry trails as the snow melts, and autumn colors that glow like a fire. Perfect for photography and a safer crossing. During this period, expect a lot of greenery throughout the trail. The flower blooms and the whole trek looks very scenic. This period is slightly colder than the summer months. Day temperature vary from 10 to 14 degree and at the night temperature dip below 0. You need at least 4 layers of clothing for the night. These are the 2 months in which Bali Pass can be done easily. Other than that, it is not recommended to do in monsoon because of rain, and in winter it goes silent and inaccessible because of too much cold and snow. Bali Pass is not just a trek, it is a test of will, a call from the wild. So choose the right time and the mountain will show you magic. So if you are planning to embark on this trek, you can visit our website www.thesearchingsoul.com and subscribe for more Himalayan treks.